Hello everyone, my name is Igusti Yudia Wahyudari with student ID 2412021155. So today I would like to explain the statistic final project result about correlation. Okay, let's start. The research question: is there any significant correlation between growth mindset and writing achievement? And to answer the research question, I make an hypothesis here. The HO, there is no significant correlation between growth mindset and writing achievement. And the HA, there is a significant correlation between growth mindset and writing achievement. And next, so the first step is to check the normality of two variables. And here we focus on the significant values of two variables, growth mindset and writing achievement, based on the Kolmogorov-Smirnov test and Shapiro-Wilk test. Okay, in my data here, the table based on the Kolmogorov-Smirnov test, the p-value of growth mindset and writing achievement is above 0.05. And the Shapiro-Wilk test, the p-value of growth mindset and writing achievement is above 0.05. Because the p-value of both variables above 0.05, it can be concluded that the data for both variables are normally distributed. And this is the histogram. The growth mindset and writing achievement histogram is normally distributed. And next, we can check the linearity here. So in my data here, the p-value of deviation from linearity is 0.850. Because the p-value is above 0.05, it means that there is no deviation from linearity. And next, the p-value of linearity is 0.331. Because the p-value above 0.05, the linear relationship between growth mindset and writing achievement is not significant. If the p-value above 0.05, we cannot continue to use Pearson correlation to check the hypothesis. That's why we use Spearman correlation to check the hypothesis. But before we check the hypothesis, we can check the scatter plot to see how the relationship between growth mindset and writing achievement. And this is my scatter plot. It can be seen that the regression line is descending, okay? Which means the relationship between growth mindset and writing achievement is negative. We can see the data show that as growth mindset increases and writing achievement decreases slightly. And next, we can check the hypothesis. And we can see the data here. Based on the Spearman row analysis, the correlation coefficient is minus 0.099. And the significant value is 0.272. Because the significant value is 0.272, it means there is no significant correlation between growth mindset and writing achievement. Furthermore, the correlation coefficient is minus 0.099, indicates a negative relationship. It means that growth mindset increases, which writing achievement tends to decreases. So we can conclude that there is no significant correlation between growth mindset and writing achievement. That's why I failed to reject the HO.